Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting problem. Minimum value of 1 by x plus 1 by y, given that x plus y is equal to 1. X and y are positive real number. Okay. So what idea we can apply here? Just you can use arithmetic mean and harmonic mean ideas you have to apply here. We already know that if I have number A1, A2, A3 up to AN is belongs to positive real number, we know that arithmetic mean is what? A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN by the number of term will be n is greater than n divided by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 plus 1 by A3 so on 1 by AN. So already we know that relation between the arithmetic mean and the harmonic mean. So let us take A1 here is x, A2 is y, right? X plus y by number of term here is 2, right? Greater than or equal to 2 divided by 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now just you cross multiply, what will get? So 1 by, before that what you can do? So 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 is given to you, you can use that one. Okay. So 1 by 2 is greater than, so 2 divided by 1 by x plus 1 by y. Okay. Now you can cross multiply, what will get? 1 by x plus 1 by y is greater than 2 divided by 1 by 2, right? Okay. So 1 by x plus 1 by y is greater than 4, right? Therefore, minimum value of 1 by x plus 1 by y will be equal to 4. Understood? Just you can apply the arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Okay. Let's do the next question. So, you know that it is completely modulus based questions. You already know that modulus, right? Modulus is what? Distance from the origin to the x. How to define it? If x is non-negative, that means greater than 0, the same x. If x is less than 0, you can take minus x, right? So you can draw the graph, this x-axis, y-axis. When x is more than 0, y is equal to x. You know they're passing through the origin. When x is less than 0, minus x. This is y is equal to minus x. So y is equal to x. This is a mod x graph. Suppose I am taking the three things. Suppose mod x equal to 1, mod x is less than 1, and mod x is greater than 1. So you know that mod x is always what? Output value. X is the input value. Just I can fix the mod x equal to 1 here, because mod x will lie on the y-axis, right? So we need actually mod x is equal to 1. Equal to 1 means what? Minus 1 and plus 1 only possible. X equal to, mod x equal to 1 means x equal to plus or minus 1. And then mod x is less than 1 means, you can see mod x is less than 1 means this interval, right? So we need below 1, right? Below mod x equal to 1, right? That means we need x value from minus, between minus 1 to 1, right? Therefore, x will be fall in minus 1 to 1, right? Then you can see next thing is mod x is greater than 1. Let's take this portion, right? Greater than 1 means you know that x will be more than 1, x should be less than minus 1. Understood through the graph? So x should be more than 1 or x should be less than minus 1. This is a definition. Okay, if x is belongs to here, how to write? Minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. Okay, this is the idea of the inequalities of the modulus, right? Now let us discuss the question, given question. Mod x minus 10 is less than 2, right? Now you can compare mod x less than 1. So modulus is there, inside x is there, right? You just replace here. What is that? Mod x minus 10. Just same idea you can apply. What will get? So mod x minus 10 will be fallen. So minus 2 to 2, right? Got it? So now you can add 10 on both sides. 8 less than mod x is less than, you can see this 12, right? Now you have to break this interval, right? So, you know, from more than 8 and less than 12, the mod x will be fallen. 8 to 12 means what you have to do, you have to break this one, right? 8 less than 12 and, sorry, 8 less than mod x, okay, and mod x is less than 12. Got it? Then how to solve this quickly? Mod x is greater than 8 means you can use mod x greater than 1. The same idea. The x should be greater than the right side or x should be less than the negative of the right side. Just simply you can remember this. Okay, then already know that mod x less than 1 means x will be fallen minus 1 to 1. The same idea here, x will be between minus 12 to 12, right? You had to use and. Whenever you're applying and, you have to use the intersection, right? Okay, then here is x is belongs to minus infinity to minus 8 union 8 to infinity, right? Right. And x will be fallen minus 12 to 12. So we need integer solutions from these intersection, right? Let's draw the graph quickly. X is what? What is that? Minus infinity to minus 8. And then here plus 8. 8 to infinity, open interval. And then second interval will be minus 12 and plus 12, right? Now both things which is common, you can see minus 12 to 12 here, which is common. The black color and this red color, which is common. So this portion is common, right? This portion is common. Okay, fine. Now you can collect it. All the intersection minus 12 to minus 8 union 8 to 12. So we need only integer solutions. What are the integers is there? X is equal to minus 11, minus 10, then minus 9. Yes, minus 8 should not be included because it's open interval. And this interval here, 8 to 12, what are the integer is there? 9, 10 and 11. There will be 3 number is there, okay? The total number of integers will be 6. The total number of integers is 6. Okay, I hope everyone understood this thing. Okay, next thing is if you like this video and you can subscribe it, like it and share to your friends. Thank you everyone.